Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a ready PC and a chosen app. Start now. First, make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated and your GPU drivers are current so playback is smooth. Then install Wallpaper Engine from Steam or the free Lively app. Run the installer as administrator to allow system hooks. Once installed, launch the app and grant permission to set desktop wallpaper. At this stage, you've covered prerequisites and completed the first actionable step. The app is installed and ready to load your car video or animated wallpaper. Now you import and configure the live wallpaper. In the app, add your car video or a packaged animated theme, trim the loop start and end so motion looks seamless. Next, choose resolution and FPS limits to balance quality versus CPU/GPU load, and select which GPU or monitor to use if you have multiple. Make sure audio is set to mute or map to system audio depending on preference. Finally, assign the wallpaper to a monitor and enable the app startup or background service so the effect loads every boot. Finish by polishing settings and adding shortcuts. You should tweak texture scale, enable or disable VSync, and pick a power-saving profile when on battery to prevent overheating. Set hotkeys to quickly pause or switch wallpapers and save a preset for different scenarios. Make sure the Wallpaper app is set to launch at login so you don't have to start it manually. If something goes wrong, for example a black screen or stutter, run the Wallpaper app as administrator, force it to use your dedicated GPU, and disable game overlays or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.